If your child is going to be taking the CogAT test, I want to show you the types of questions they're going to see on the test. Now, there are 9 different types of questions, and we are going to start by looking at the verbal questions. And we're looking at practice questions for students who are from about 3rd grade on. So at that point, they're going to get questions that are in words, numbers, and figures. Not pictures like younger kids get. So let's look at verbal questions, and here are the 3 types of verbal questions for older kids. First, verbal analogies. Beg is to plead, as ask is to request. They're all synonyms. That's the analogy. Sentence completion, the child just has to complete a sentence. Many people use blank sweeteners instead of sugar, and the answer is artificial. And then verbal classification. There are 3 words that go together in some way. In this case, guitar, banjo, harp, they're all instruments, and they all have strings. So the answer would be D, violin. Now let's look at quantitative types of questions for older students, 3rd grade and above, on the CogAT test. Number analogies. Let's start with those. We have 5 is to 4, 6 is to 5, 7 is to what? Well, we're subtracting 1 each time. So 7 would be to 6. C would be our answer. Number puzzles are really equations. So we want both sides to equal each other, or in this case, the first side is going to be more than the second side. And you just have to choose the answer that makes the number sentence true. Finally, number series, very similar to what they do with younger kids using an abacus, but with older kids, it's just using numbers. So we have here 2, 7, 12, 17, 22, and what we're doing is we're adding 5 each time. So if we add 5, C would be our answer. Now let's look at the last type of question you're going to see on the CogAT for older kids, 3rd through 12th grade. These are figural questions, okay? So what we have here is a figural question, on the top, it's 2 figures, and they switch colors. So the first one would be analogous to the ones on top. Paper folding, you see a piece of paper, it's being folded, it's like a diagram. When you unfold it, what's it going to look like? That's what that type of question is. And finally, the last type is figure classification. The first 3 go together in some way. In this case, it's a figure that's rotating, and they have to figure out which over here is the same figure rotated in another direction. And that's going to be our answer. So those are the 9 types of questions that are on the CogAT for older students.